about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka Training on ICRT. Today we are continuing to tour around Miaoli County and the township known as Touwu. Now today we're going to take a bike along with Leo to go visit some of these villages, and I heard it's very beautiful. 今天呢，我要跟 Leo 呢要来一个慢骑小旅行啊，要骑着单车呢，在头乡的某一村哦。听说这边的生态啊非常有亮点，而且做得非常环保，而且还可以吃很多东西呢。好，很期待我们的单车旅行。Hey Leo， 今天我们来的这个诗坛村是吧？
对啊，我们要去诗坛村啊。
可是我们在头乡啊，不是诗坛乡啊，因为有一个诗坛乡嘛。
这个诗坛村不在诗坛乡嘛，在头屋乡
哦，所以诗坛村只在头屋乡。那我们骑单车要一路去哪里呢？听说这边有很多很棒的生态啊。
哦，我带你来去咪汉呢，好了。
睡一下。
但不用这样咪啦哈，我们这咪汉呢，哈是要到那个水稻里头去捞蛤蜊啦。
早说，原来咪汉呢就是猛拉。
哎，是啊是啊，就是这条河郡里头哈，其实它的生态富裕做得很好，所以里面呢就多了很多小鱼小虾啦、摸海哈公啦。
哎呀，这个应该多来啊，多健康啊。
当然没问题啊。哎，接下来我就带你来去吃萝卜料理。
哎，萝卜料理啊，所以有什么样的萝卜料理？
哎，萝卜料理其实很多，像什么萝卜牛腩汤啦，哎，酱萝卜炒五花肉啦，还有老萝卜干鸡汤啦。
Oh my god， 有牛有猪有鸡，哇！这太好吃了，这我一定要赶快去吃。哎，今天要多骑脚踏车，消耗卡路里再去吃这个大餐。
对，然后还多吃一点，对不对
？All right, what a great trip. Let's go.
Miaoli Shitan Village is somewhat of a haven for wildlife, and the Taiwanese living here live long and happy lives. In the village, there's a mountain path through dense forest that will transport you back in time with its many water wheels, all made by the locals as the village was once a huge hub for grain. This rural area, with all its flowers, produces excellent honey and attracts swarms of butterflies. Shitan was also a pioneer in Hakka cuisine, with the region still producing a huge variety of dishes like dried radish and radish coins.
好 ，Leo 是教单字单元到了哦，教大家这些课语啦。我们刚刚讲到这个蛤蜊嘛，就 clam，right？
汉呢
，OK。然后如果是摸蛤蜊，就是蒙啦，
就是咪汉呢
，OK。你刚刚还有提到虾子，
哈公
，OK，that's shrimp。然后还有萝卜嘛，
老佩嘞
，OK，that's radish。All right, that does today's Hakka training on ICRT。
什么太嘎？
按字 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.